Hello, in front of me I have a Vivax Lifefit Hero Kids smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. To change the watch face on this device, first we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you like to use and tap on it to select it and apply it on your watch. You can also change the watch face through settings, so let's wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen until we find the settings icon, tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, select the option called screen display and then tap on changed dial. And again, the watch face menu will open and we can select the watch face by tapping on it, like that. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.